Hi guys, I am Dr. Deva who is going to teach you now uh, the basics, uh, the basics of derivatives. The basics of derivatives. You know me well. This is an informal lecture for you. I found that few of my students are struggling while doing their problems in derivatives while studying their calculus course. It is my self-interest to post such a video. It's my trial, and based on your feedback, let me decide whether it has to be continued or to decline. It's up to you. Okay. Now, derivative. It's dy by dx. dy by dx. Y is equal to f of x, a function, and we have to find the derivative dy by dx. This is a difference in y with respect to the difference in x. And there is a special rule for this. If dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, that is the h is very small, where f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is a very good rule we have. Let's consider a graph. This is a graph uh, having x-axis and y-axis. And here it is x. Consider a distance h. Uh, take the curve like this and take another point. It is x plus h. You know this function is y is equal f of x. Here we are going to draw the value of f of x here. This is a y-axis. Okay, we are going to write. We are going to plot the f of x values also here, and this is x comma f of x, and this is x plus h comma f of x plus h. Now applying this rule, what you will be getting, this is h, and consider this distance. What is this distance? Y2 minus y1, right? So it is f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x. So it's nothing but the rule what you have studied in your school. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the difference in y with respect to the difference in x. But now we are just making it more refined. This x2 minus x1 tends to 0. That the difference in x is very small. The difference in x is very small. Means from here to here, what may be the small uh, the difference? What may be the small difference in y with respect to the small difference in x? Here's the question now. Okay, fine. Let's come back to my lecture. Y is equal to x, and the difference y dash, derivative y dash is equal to 1. Y is equal to a constant function, for example 7, or y is equal to c. The derivative becomes 0. Why? Again, go back to your graph. Consider this is y is equal to c, or y is equal to 7, as I am taking over here. Take 2 points here and here. What are you left with? Y2 minus y1, right? First of all, it's y2 minus y1. Here it is x2 minus x1. It is y is equal to 7, right? So what's our value? Y2 minus y1. 7 minus 7 divided by, for example, take it as 1 and take it as 8. So it is 8 minus 1. So 0 divided by 7 is equal to 0. It's not only for y is equal to 7, whatever the constant it may be. And it can be any constant. 7, square root of 7, right? Minus 7, 1.32, pi 3.14, whatever it may be. This become 0. It becomes 0. Okay. So now we are going to make a new rule now. Y is equal to x power n. And the rule now is y dash is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Don't forget, y dash means it is derivative of, difference in y with respect to the difference in x, the derivative of y. So let's go for a few more examples, some other functions for y is equal to x power n. Try to find y is equal to x, the derivative. We already found that, and we have seen that as a rule 1, right? So let's apply the above rule. Y dash is equal, consider it as x power 1. So take that number before, so 1 into x power 1 minus 1. So 1 into x power 0, 1 into x power 0 is 1 and 1. So y dash is equal to 1 for y is equal to x power 1. And go for some other example. Y is equal to x power 7. So y dash is equal, simple one, right? 7 into x power 7 minus 1. So 7 into x power 6. Okay, go to some other example now. Y is equal to square root of x. Square root of x. See, all of the functions of x, right? It should be in the form of x power n. That's it. So go for some other example of root x. And now y can be written as x power 1 by 2. Square root of means it's x power 1 by 2. So y dash is equal, use the same rule, 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Use your laws of radicals you have studied in your pure math. 1 by 2. 1 divided by x power 1 by 2, your power become positive. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by square root of x, and hence it is simply 1 by 2 times square root of x. So if y is equal to square root of x, then y dash is equal to 1 by 2 times of square root of x. Let's go for some other now. I'm not good at drawing, so we'll get some crosser lines. Y is equal to 3 times of x. What may be the answer now? Can we think over it? Please don't say the derivative of 3 is 0 because it is in product with x. So we have to keep these 3 constant and the derivative of x is 1. So the answer is 3. Now the question raises, can we differentiate our answer once again? The answer is yes, you can. Y double dash, second term you are differentiating and the derivative of t is 0. And y double dash can be written as d square y by dx square. Okay, think over it, please don't write it as dy square by dx square. This is wrong because we are finding the derivative of y 2 times with respect to x 2 times, so d square y by dx power 2 is correct, not dy square by dx square. And with this, let me go back to another example quickly. Y is equal to x power 2 plus square root of x plus 7 minus 4x. So y dash become x power 2, use this rule, so it is 2x. Square root of x, we know here, we know the answer, 1 by 2 times of square root of x. 7 becomes 0, minus 4 into derivative is 1. Finished. And meet you with some other lecture. See you. Bye bye.